Hello, America's favorite pastime. Sex. Trojans, condoms. Fantastic. Stay protected, Africa. So, you may be seeing the recent commercials. Her pleasure. They're heated. But what if you're too poor and you can only afford regular ones? Well, microwaving is the key to your problem. In the laboratory. In Jory Karen's laboratory, safety is of #1 concern. We have a tinfoil barricade to protect our nuts. No one likes roasted nuts. We also have a ventilation system consisting of 3 fans. And the mighty steed, the sharp microwave. It's been through a hell of a lot. You can see. So, in goes the condom. Wrapper and all. Then we close the microwave. I wonder how long I should put this in there for. Maybe 2 minutes. Sounds like fun. Let's back up. I'll close the door for safety concerns, and I'll turn off the light for dramatic effect. Now, let's proceed to turn on the microwave. I know what vaporized toothpaste and soap smells like. Oh, I saw a spark. But what the hell does vaporized condom smell like? Well, we're probably about to find out. Spark again. Spark again. Oh well, obviously nothing is going to happen, so let's turn off the microwave. Let's open the microwave. Oh geez, I know what vaporized condom smells like now. And here's the condom. But does it still work, you might be asking? I have no idea. Don't ever ask me again. It's warm though. So, is it a good idea to microwave condoms for her pleasure? No. Don't ever microwave.